Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the Chinab Bridge, an absolute marvel of engineering. It's the tallest railway bridge on Earth. Can you believe that? This extraordinary bridge is a clear example of human brilliance and determination, especially when overcoming difficult challenges. It brings together people and places, symbolizing innovation and forward thinking. India takes immense pride in this feat, and people around the globe are in awe. The Chinab Bridge is a remarkable achievement that sparks inspiration. Let's explore what makes it truly unique. The Chinab Bridge stands in the Rayasi district of Jammu and Kashmir, India. This region is renowned for its breathtaking natural scenery, with towering mountains and the mighty Chinab River cutting through the valley. Right here, nestled in the grandeur of the Himalayas, the bridge rises. It links the villages of Bakal and Kauri, which were once separated by the river. Now, thanks to this stunning structure, they're finally connected. The bridge is a key element of a major infrastructure project known as the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla Rail Link, or USBRL. This initiative is designed to link the Kashmir Valley with the rest of India via train, a monumental challenge in itself. The Chinab Bridge is mind-blowingly impressive, and these figures will show you just how enormous it is. Height, 359 meters, or 1,178 feet above the river. That's even taller than the Eiffel Tower. Length 1,315 meters, or 4,314 feet. Imagine walking that distance. Arch span 467 meters, or 1,532 feet. Constructing an arch of that size takes incredible engineering precision. These numbers weren't just guessed. They were meticulously planned and engineered. Every meter and every design detail serves a specific purpose. The bridge was built to endure whatever nature might throw at it. Earthquakes, strong winds, extreme temperatures. It's a true reflection of human capability. Constructing the Chinab Bridge was an enormous undertaking. It called for some of the finest engineers and construction experts in the world. The Konkan Railway Corporation led this ambitious venture. The bridge is built using exceptionally strong steel, selected for its durability and handling both heavy trains and harsh weather. Construction began back in 2004 and faced countless obstacles from rugged terrain to unpredictable climate, but the team stayed persistent. Completion came in 2022, with the final cost hitting around $200 million, or 1,486 crore rupees. That gives you a sense of how critical this project is. Building a bridge in the Himalayas is anything but simple. The unique environment and vast scale add serious complexity. Engineers and workers had to tackle some of the harshest landscapes on the planet, requiring painstaking planning and flawless execution. From the blueprint phase to physical construction, engineers confronted a mountain of challenges. They spent endless hours fine-tuning designs, running simulations, and making on-site tweaks to ensure the bridge could handle the Himalayan extremes. Since the area is prone to earthquakes, advanced seismic engineering was essential. Flexible materials and shock-absorbing systems were used to help the structure absorb seismic energy, with simulations helping to test resilience. The steep terrain and deep gorges made it nearly impossible to transport materials. Heavy machinery had to squeeze through narrow trails, and sometimes components had to be airlifted, requiring perfect coordination. Strong winds in the region also posed threats to both the construction phase and the final bridge itself. Wind tunnel tests were conducted to confirm the structure could resist gusts up to 260 kilometers per hour. Sophisticated computer modeling and innovative methods allowed engineers to predict how the bridge would behave in various scenarios. Massive concrete pillars were embedded deep into the mountainside to support the bridge's weight, a remarkable feat on its own. Huge cranes, specially built for these difficult conditions, lifted steel segments into place. Drones played a key role in surveying, tracking progress, and ensuring precision, offering real-time data for fast, informed decisions. These challenges tested the boundaries of engineering, but with creativity and determination, the team succeeded. The Chinab Bridge now stands as a symbol of human inventiveness and the unyielding will to conquer nature's barriers. It's more than just a bridge. It's a representation of what's possible when we dream big and come together to make it happen. The Chinab Bridge isn't just a cool project, it's a true triumph of modern engineering. Towering 359 meters above the riverbed, it holds the title of the world's highest railway bridge. It reflects human determination and ingenuity. It's also a major piece of India's railway system, making travel faster and smoother across the difficult Himalayan terrain. As a key component of the USBRL project, the bridge helps boost regional connectivity, making it easier and more efficient for everyone to travel. This project aims to tie the Kashmir Valley more closely with the rest of India, a true game-changer for the region. Known for its stunning scenery and rich culture, the valley will now be much easier for tourists and locals to access. The Chinab Bridge represents progress and national unity. It reflects India's drive to meet challenges head-on and to build a better future. It's not merely a piece of infrastructure, it's a symbol of hope and proof of what can be achieved with vision and perseverance. Globally, the Chinab Bridge is admired for its brilliant design and innovative engineering. This architectural wonder is a shining example of India's capabilities and attracts tourists from all over. It even holds a Guinness World Record as the highest railway bridge, standing tall at 359 meters above the riverbed. That achievement speaks volumes about the dedication and talent of the engineers and workers involved. The bridge also shows India's strength in modern infrastructure. It required high-level planning and cutting-edge techniques to come to life. Here are some fun facts about it. At 359 meters, the Chinab Bridge is taller than the Eiffel Tower, which stands at 330 meters. It's designed to withstand earthquakes measuring up to 8 on the Richter scale, highlighting how safe and stable it is. It has an estimated lifespan of 120 years, serving as a reliable transportation link for generations. This bridge has earned global attention and stands as a source of immense pride for India, as well as motivation for aspiring engineers. The Chinab Bridge is far more than just a combination of steel and concrete. It reflects India's dreams and technical expertise. Technological advancement. It shows how far India has come in engineering and construction. National pride. It's something that all Indians can take pride in. Human spirit. It proves that, with unity and effort, we can rise above any challenge and achieve something truly remarkable. The bridge stands as a lasting tribute to the vision and determination of all those who played a role in bringing it to life. The Chinab Bridge will continue to captivate hearts and minds for generations, standing tall as a symbol of human brilliance, teamwork, and India's remarkable journey forward.